Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn what generative AI is in simple words with diagrams and examples. You have probably heard the name in apps like ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and many others. These tools are examples of generative AI. Let's start with the basic idea. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. This content can be text, images, audio, videos, code, charts, presentations, and much more. The easiest way to understand it is this. Traditional AI can analyze data and give predictions. Generative AI can actually create something new from what it has learned. Here's a simple example. If you tell a generative AI model, write a birthday message for my friend, it will create a full paragraph that never existed before. It is not copying text. It is generating it by understanding patterns from billions of sentences it has learned from. Let's take another example. If you ask for an image of a dog flying a rocket in cartoon style, the AI creates that image from scratch. There is no real picture like that. It learns patterns of dogs, rockets, colors, shapes, and art styles, and then mixes them to create a brand new image. Here's an audio example. Tools like 11 Labs can generate human-like voices. You can type your text and the AI turns it into speech. The voice sounds natural because the model has learned how humans talk, the tone, speed, emotion, and rhythm. Let's take a coding example. If you ask a generative AI tool to write a Java program to sort numbers, it will produce new code for you. It understands how code works, how syntax works, and how logic flows, because it has learned these patterns from millions of code examples. Now let's talk about why generative AI is so powerful. It saves time, it boosts creativity, it helps beginners learn faster. It supports professionals in writing, designing, coding, and solving problems. For example, teachers use generative AI to prepare lesson plans. Students use it to understand difficult topics. Doctors use it to summarize patient reports. Developers use it to generate APIs, unit tests, and documentation. Designers create logos, posters, and thumbnails in seconds. The core mechanism behind generative AI is very simple to understand. It learns patterns from large amounts of data and then uses those patterns to create new outputs. It does not memorize, it learns structure and relationships. Think of it like this. If you read thousands of stories, you automatically learn how stories are structured. After some time, you can create your own story. Generative AI works exactly like that, but at a planetary scale. The most important part is this. Generative AI is not meant to replace humans. It is meant to work with humans. You bring ideas. AI brings speed. Together you create something amazing. So in simple words, generative AI is a technology that learns from huge amounts of data and then generates brand new content. It can write, draw, speak, design, code, summarize, analyze, and create things faster than any tool we've used before.